Hi there, Christina Sieberts, truthinit.com. We are here at VMware Explore 2022, and we are with Kioxia. We are with Alex and Tyler, and they're going to give us some more detail about what's going on with the business and any other interesting details we want to know about. How are you guys doing today?
We're doing fantastic. We're happy to be here.
Yeah, it's great to be in VMware Explore.
Yeah, it's finally nice to be back in person after 2 years being completely remote and kind of stuck behind the screen a little bit. So I guess first I just want to know if you can give our audience a little bit of an overview of what Kioxia does, where it's based out of. Alex, I know you had mentioned there's a little bit of rebranding that's gone on. If you could just talk a little bit about that, and also please just talk a little bit about your role and what you do for the company as well.
Absolutely. First of all, thank you for coming. We're happy to be here. Like you said, it's great to be here in person. We've been doing things virtually for so long, but nothing being better to be in person, showing our solutions live. As you mentioned, Kioxia is probably the company that everyone uses our products, and you may not have heard of us. We used to be Toshiba Memory America. So all of our solutions, our flash, NAND solutions, and our all of our SSD solutions, they've now been rebranded as Kioxia. We do a lot of work with Dell. We're showcasing all of our Dell solutions here today, especially a lot of our PCI NVMe solutions. To go into more depth about that, Tyler would definitely be the right guy.
Sure. So we're showing we have enterprise and data center class products that we have here. Our M.2 or M.2, U.2, as well as E1.S and E3.S product lines. So we cover the full gamut. We have SAS and NVMe, and we're showcasing here. We have machine learning and a little bit of a vSAN demo back here. So we actually have live machine learning in the booth. We have videos trained to recognize our Kioxia logo in our video, and it pops up. The machine learning algorithm is able to capture that and show and highlight that. So we're showing live machine learning in our booth. And we also have a VMware Tanzu Greenplum. So we're showing high performance database on scale out storage. So we're really focused on SSDs in the server and how we can enable VMware product lines, especially vSAN and other solutions on top of that to perform it at the highest performance possible.
I think my next question is, you talked a little bit about the technical side and kind of the rebrand of the company. Can you guys really give more of an idea of what like an ideal company profile would look like in terms of a customer? So if an organization or an IT environment has a problem or a difficulty that they're trying to solve specifically, how does some of your solutions help address those? You can talk about one or a few different ones. I know there's a few different things. Would any of you like to speak to that?
I guess before Tyler, you go into all the Dell exciting stuff we're doing here, it's kind of cool, like you mentioned, like we're in everything. So Kioxia as a company, we do flash NAND, we do all of our SD solutions. It's kind of an interesting milestone we're here today too. It's the 35th anniversary of NAND flash, which we actually invented, this entire industry. And we're in everything from automotive to IoT, and especially the data center. So a lot of the hyperscale solutions, the data center solutions, that's really what we're showcasing here today. Tyler, do you want to talk more about those?
Sure. Yes. Traditionally, everyone has been classic SAN. We do sell into the SAN market, so many of the SAN providers that you see do buy our SSDs and put them in solutions. But we're really targeting right now is our server side. So we really want to target the drives in the server. So instead of having a traditional SAN, a lot of people are moving it to scale-out storage or scale-out SAN, whether that's scale-out object, scale-out file, scale-out block. All of those solutions are really coming into their own and becoming a driving force in the market. And we want to enable that with our product lines. So we are really focused on our server line, our data center class, and our enterprise class NVMe drives that go into all the server platforms with Dell, HP, others. And so we sell across the board, and we have high performance and low latency storage designed to meet those growing needs. So as people are building these scale out clusters, we have drives there to meet those needs.
That's great. Really interesting stuff. And I guess just to kind of wrap up, is there anything additional that you'd want our audience to know about the company, and where can they find out more information about these different solutions?
Yeah, go to Kioxia.com, and you can find all of our solutions there across all the different applications.
Great. Anything to add?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for taking a few minutes to speak with us. And we will be back with more coverage for VMware Explore 2022.